So when we purchased this sage green pop-top automatic, the passenger glass roll-up window was cracked. It just had a trash bag on it, keeping it from the moisture from coming in and out. So I knew that was one thing that was gonna have to be changed at some point. And so I went on thesamba.com and I found someone that was selling the passenger side roll-up window glass. Ron is his name, and it arrived pretty quickly, packed very well. Two nice packing foams on top of it, arrived on time. He even sent me a couple little advertisements there for, I don't know, just a little thing to show who you are, and if I ever need anything from him again, I'm pretty sure I'll go back because it was a nice experience. Anyway, just wanted to mention that because the way it was packed is just so nice. Everything just so professional, so I really appreciated it. Anyway, we're gonna get this passenger glass window in, so stay tuned for how. First thing we're gonna do is get these these bolts off here to get this old one off. So pretty simple. It's just these two bolts right here. Get the old track off. Okay, so we've got these two. I took these two out, and there's also two more on the top here for this. And then on this side, I loosened these two up so that this piece here can move. It may need to move out of the way, so we're gonna find out right now. But just so we're ready, this is loose, so that's the next step. After that, on the top here, if you pull this felt down, on the top you'll see a screw up there, right there. That screw is gonna allow this piece to move either way, either direction, but it's gonna move this way, and it's gonna allow me to lift it up to pull this piece out, which I also unbolted right here. That's gonna allow enough space to get the window in. So here we go. Okay, so here we are with this top piece right here. Here's the screw I was telling you about. Comes off, and it allows this to loosen up. And what you do is you pull this piece to the right, going this way, pull it out so that it angles this way, and then this whole piece would come off, a little side vent. Wiggle it out, and what I do is lift it all the way up, tilt it somewhere like that, and then with this all opened and cleared out, you actually have space to slide the glass in. And I've already slide the glass in already. The reason why I didn't videotape is because it's hard to hold the phone, and it's a two-hand process, but literally just put it right on top here. It'll slide right in, maybe a little WD-40, just let it slide in. But it'll go right in. You might have to angle this piece up so that this bottom arm right here is not in the way. But yeah, pull it up like that and it'll slide right in. So now it's in there. And that's the process I'm at right now. So now I'll start putting the window regulator back in, things like that. So I will film all that though as I go along. Okay, so I wiggled this piece back in. I'll fasten this later. I got the glass and I slid it all the way up, at least most of the way anyway. And I'm kind of holding it with a screwdriver on that one little area, just so that right here is clear and I can get the window regulator in. Okay, so small correction. Earlier I had this thing mounted up already secured, and this window being held up so that I could get the window regulator in. But what I forgot to mention is that this bolt right here, where my thumb is, that's keeping this secure, actually you have to push this window regulator through it. It has to go through above it. When you're taking it apart, you'll realize what I'm talking about. But it has to go above that, and I kind of went ahead of my steps. And so that's why it looks like this now. So what you want to have is this thing out, this thing up and being held, so that you can wiggle the window regulator back in Once it's in that area above this right here, then you can start securing this one and going about the process. So here we go.